Yeah, Terror Tram goodness.
6 p.m., but let me hear you scream! I will be inviting those people on the lift. You'll never see them or any people ever again. You got that red emergency cord above your head. As we mentioned, I'm Mike, your driver is Joseph. Let's go! Now, I'm sure you're all aware tonight is Purge night, that special time of year where all crime, including murder, is legal for the next 12 hours. But don't worry, we're evacuating you to a purge-free zone. We're in a special area so you can celebrate without getting killed. Wasn't that nice of our new founding fathers? So for the next 12 hours, kick back, relax. We'll throw it over to our friend Jill St. Stevens with a little more information.
Thank you for that fabulous introduction. Hello everyone, my name is Jill St. Stevens, and it's my pleasure to welcome you to Universal's first annual Purge Party. You know, Universal Studios has long been a proud supporter of the Purge and our new founding fathers. Oh, I see some of you brought your children today. Fabulous! You're going to enjoy tonight. We have fabulous food, games, arts and crafts, and patriotic sing-alongs planned for you. Sounds a lot better than being locked up in the house all night with Mom and Dad, doesn't it? Fabulous. Now, before we begin, tour guide, can you give me your current location?
Locked and loaded, we're right behind driver dispatch.
Fabulous. They're on their way. Oh, and one more thing. I hope they slaughter each and every last one of you. They're all yours. Fabulous.
Okay, that's, don't know what this is, but rabbits. Uh-oh, that's not good.
Hello? Can anyone hear me?
Yeah, we hear you.
You have to help us. You've got to get these people out of here. You've got to do it now.
Wait.
You have to get us out of here.
Hey, slow down, what's going on?
Listen to me. It's all a lie. There is no purge-free zone. They're killing everyone. You have to get us out of here.
Who's killing everyone?
The Forever Purge. That's what they're calling themselves. They don't follow any rules. They don't listen to anyone. Even our so-called founding fathers. They don't care. They want it to be the Purge. Everywhere. All the time, never ending. There's children in there. You have to get us out of here. You have to get us.
Ooh, that's somebody's head? Okay, that's, so maybe we should go to...
There's no time. They're coming. You have to get us out of here before it's too late. Please.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, I don't know what to say about that other than sorry that we had to listen to such a buzzkill. So she's kind of a sour apple. We're not gonna let her ruin the whole batch, though. I know it's Halloween, trick-or-treat and all, but I think we're gonna go have some fun out here. I'm not gonna listen to what they're saying. So we are about to arrive at our exclusive backlot destination. I think it's okay. It's still daylight. They're still filming Saved by the Bell out here, so how murder is gonna be? Oh, there she is. The party pooper.
Where's the party pooper?
She's waving us over. Let's go see if we can help, I guess. Looks like we're gonna have to take her back up top. As for the rest of ya, this is the end of the line. When our assistants open the gate, please exit the tram in an orderly fashion. Oh, and one more thing before we say goodbye. Purge ever after. Forever Purge. Good luck.
Don't die.
Skirt. Scary, scary, skirt. Scary, scary, skirt. Oh my god, it's so cool. It's so Look at this guy right here. Uh-oh. That was a good one. That was a good one. Spooky, 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 spooky. Look at these guys. Dog bunny. Ball. Whoa, that guy's serious. In the face. These guys are scary. These guys are scary.